Let's get officially introduced to the idea of how to read a fraction. So let's recap few things. The definition: fraction shows parts of a whole using two numbers. We have numerator and denominator. So this is the upper part, this is the lower part. Numerator tells us how many parts are taken. Denominator shows how many equal parts the whole is divided into. In this example of 3 by 4, here 4 is your denominator. In 3 by 4, 3 is your numerator. Now, how do you read it? How all can you read it? 3 by 4 is read as 3/4 or 3 times 1/4 or 3 upon 4. What it means is the fraction unit is 1 by 4 and you are considering 3 such fractional units. Let me put it this way. So remember this. So we have, let me actually make all of this 0. This is 1 unit and dividing into 4 equal parts. And I'm considering 3 parts out of it. Right? So this is nothing but, the first thing is nothing but, oh sorry, we can't do that over here. 1/4. The second thing is also 1/4. The third thing is also 1/4. And the fourth thing is also 1/4. But since we have selected 3 of this will be 3 times of, remember this, we did this. This is 3 times of 1 by 4, right? Also written as 3 by 4. And so we read this as 3/4 or 3 times 1/4, right? 3 times 1/4 is unit fraction is 1/4 and we are choosing 3 of it. And that's what 3 times 1/4 indicates. Okay, so these are all the ways, 1, 2, 3 ways of reading fractions. If you find any other way, that's also okay. But yeah, in your book, this is what is introduced at this grade. So we need to know all of this. So even I, without without realizing, I keep using one of this. I think I majorly use 3 upon 4 is not something that I use. 3 times 1/4, I think I use the first one, 3/4 and all of that. Okay, so you have few fractions over here. So you can pause and read it out loud. Right? So this is 2/5, 5/6, 1/3. Or we can also read it in the other form, that is your 3 times 1/4, similar to that. This is 2 times 1/5, 5 times 1/6. This is 1 time 1/3. Or let me ask you guys one more question. What is the unit fraction in each case? What is the unit fraction in each case? Here it is 1/5. The next one it is 1/6. And the next one it is 1/3. And that's that. And what it means is we are considering 2 of 1/5, 5 of 1/6, and 1 of 1/3. That's one of the ways of reading it. Or we can also read it as 2 upon 5, 5 upon 6, 1 upon 3. So that is left to you guys, how you want to read it. Yeah. Okay, you can pause and copy all of this.